shit. Here we go again.
Okay, listen. I'm not the sharpest tutorial guide in the galaxy, so making tutorials about green screens is not the best thing I can do.
Oh no!
But you have to wait, because I have to go to work first, okay? Great.
What the dog doing?
Boy, if you don't get...
9 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And I'm back.
Hold on a second. There we go. Much better. I'm gonna convert this video to a green screen. Oh boy, my floor just cracked. I believe I might fall.
Not that it's any of your business, but fuck you and fuck off. And leave me to my lotions. Up the floor just cracked. I believe I might fall. Not that...
Yeah, you see. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to make the video in a good frame rate, the right image size. So what you have to do is just open Blender. Here we go. Then you press this video editor button that is right here. Then you go over here and then choose the scale 512 by 512. And then you just find your video, drag it in, and here it is. And it makes the video automatically in that scale because I don't know why that does. Then you go to the end of the video. As you can see, the frame was not exactly the exact frame. So you actually have to extend it out a little bit like that. And then you go up to add. Make sure you have selected this and go to add, effect, speed control. Now the video should be in the correct speed. You have to go to the last frame of this video, copy this number down here and put it in this end, and then press enter. And now it's the correct video. Yeah, the frames are correct as well. If you want the image to look the best, the best way to do it is to upload it as an image sequence. So we have to go to PNG, and then don't forget to press this one, RGBA, yeah. And then you have to choose the folder where you want to put the image sequence. Very straightforward. So I have the folders already made. You can see I have 1 and 2. I'm gonna put it in one, and you can call it whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Just do that. And accept. Then you go over here to render, and then you render the animation, and it's gonna make an image sequence inside that folder. We can actually watch it happen. Just gonna see that there is a bunch of folders that is gonna be rendering inside here. And then I open up Blender again. And then I press this VFX button. Then I add in this video editor thingy because this does come with. And don't forget to put back the pixel size and the frame rate. And you can remove this motion tracking. And then you go to masking. Then you just open the image sequence, which is in this folder right here. As you can mostly see, it's just gibberish, like the numbers are not even aligned. So what you do is that you press down this arrow over here, and then you press name, and then you just press the number 1, then you scroll, and then you select the bottom one, and then you open it, and here is the video as an image sequence. And if you want the sound in the background, you can go to video, and then you can just drag in the original video. Let me just pick it up here real quick, like that. Just take away this part, you don't need it. Then you just have the sound.
Not that it's any of your business, but...
And then you go back to masking, and then you're just gonna frame it out. So what you do, you hold Control, and then you press wherever you want. I can press there. So I'm following this edge on his face. One there and one there. And I believe he had like a hoodie back side. So I'm just gonna press some random buttons like that. And then I'm just gonna align it, or you can just right click, choose different modes. I like to combine a bunch of this. This one is my favorite. It makes the edges go smoother. And press this record button, so it will record the frames when you're animating. So you just you can press the arrows to go like back and forth. So now you just need to animate the keyframing. So you can press the G button, and move it around. And when you let go, it's gonna make one frame because you press the record button. And you go to the next frame, and you can see it's the same frame. So because this is the same frame, you can actually just press G again, and then that frame has become that frame. Move it out. Like so. And now I'm just gonna do a time lapse so it will go faster.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your lossy. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast.
Okay, now I'm finished. So what you're gonna do now, it's gonna be very easy. I'm not gonna go over compositing because this node grid system is gonna be too hard for you. So I'm just gonna do it directly in the video editor. So what I'm just gonna do now is that I'm going to press add image sequence, and I press this one, and then I go all the way down to this last frame. Press this one, and then we have the whole image sequence in the video editor. And what we're gonna do now is go over here to the side here, press modifications, modifier, press add, mask, press mask, and then you see that this is the mask we just created, the keyframing stuff, and we just and you see that I can't speak today. You see that this outline has been converted over to the editor, and now it's just the easy part. You just grab a green background and drag it in. You just an image, and you make it so it's the whole in the whole video. I like to do a little peeking out there, and then I'm going over to, and then I press strip, and the pizza is here, so I have to go very fast. But before I do that, I can just finish this video, and you press this blend button, and then you press this alpha under, not alpha over, because then it will become on the front. So you need to have alpha under, and then you just go to this transform, and then you scale it up, and there we go. You have a green screen.
Not that it's any of your business, but fuck you and fuck off. And leave me to my lotions. Up the floor just cracked. I believe I might find...
Super easy. I hope you liked the video, and now I'm gonna eat some capricciosa.